Our next stitch is another leaf stitch. It's called the fishbone stitch, or some people might call it a leaf stitch. We've got our leaf shape here, so a nice point, nice curve, and a vein down the middle. And this has been used also in quite long leaves like this, where you've got a vein down the middle and you've got big long leaves like this. So it can be used in all different size and shaped leaves. So I'm going to start at the tip and think about what you want the angle of your little spokes to be, and you want to try and keep that angle even all the way down the leaf, particularly if it's a big long leaf like the gum leaves. So I'm going to come down quite a way because my next stitch is going to go below that one, and then you're going to come up on the outside of your leaf right at the top again, and you're just going to cross over that center line. Then you're going to come up on the right hand side and you're going to cross over the other side of the center line. It's just right on the opposite side of the line. It's not a long way over. You're just crossing with each stitch to the other side of the line. And it's not going to show up a lot in the black, I don't think, but it gets you a nice, like a satin stitch, but you've got them going crisscrossing across the center all the way along your leaf. So you need to go one right, one left, and you want to keep the angle of those stitches the same all the way down the leaf. You can scoop stitch it if you want. However, with satin stitch or all 6 strands, I find stab stitching you can actually get a better placement of your outside stitches so that you get a nice straight edge rather than a jagged edge. Okay, now we've got to finish up these bottom corners, so we're going to go a little tighter just to get our bottom curve. Okay, and then you can give yourself a little stem if you want, or sometimes these fishbone leaves sit underneath, come out from underneath another flower, so you don't actually need to finish it off. And that's the fishbone leaf stitch.